I will show you how anyone can launch successful Instagram account using AI and done for you ready-made viral video clips. I will also show you how you can monetize your new account and create new passive income stream for you and your family. Step number 1, creating your new Instagram account. If I could give you only one advice, this would be it. No need to reinvent the wheel. We will recreate already successful account. And this account is called Secret Wealth Champ. Some of their videos already have 3 million views and even 4 million views, and this is amazing. These are just short clips with the text overlay. I will show you where you can get those clips from and how to do this text overlay. All you need to do is just go to Google and type Content Vault Faceless videos. You will see a lot of websites where you can actually buy those content walls of videos. This is how it looks on Etsy. And there are a lot of video clips for different kind of faceless accounts. If you want to learn more about how to use social media to build your brand or simply make money, in the description you will find a couple of links. One of them will lead you to my program. It's called Social Media Mastery Kit. This program costs just $27 today, and you'll get access to all this information, how to master Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. You will also get access to my bonuses. And the most important for you here is that you will get access to the library of content that includes thousands of different video clips. I will use one of the modules of Social Media Mastery Kit to download the viral clip templates. You will need to register and open your Canva account. I will show you how it looks like when I do it. In your case, you can just use this template for new design. So this is how it looks like. You will have access to many short video clips like this. And all we need for these video clips or these reels, we need on-screen text, this kind of text, right? And this is the most interesting part of this video training. This is what I did. I created this prompt, and you may simply use the same prompt or something like this. So I simply explain what my business is all about. And I say I downloaded 30 short vertical reels for the luxury motivation wealth niche, and I want to add some text to them as an overlay. With each reel, I want to have blocks of text messages. And the first block is hook, second block is invitation to read captions for details, and third block is call to action comment freedom for details and check your DM. And I simply created a short example. And last but not least, I say also create captions for each reel, right? In this case, I will not use ChatGPT and I will not use DeepSeek because I found that Gemini.google.com works much better. I will simply put this prompt here and we click enter. And this is where the magic happens. So you have all the reels plus you have captions below the reel, right? I already created this for my first video, and I will show you how it will look like. I just posted it. So we have the reel, we have captions, and voila. Don't forget that you also need to add the name of your channel, right? Now all I need to do, I just choose reel number 2. I just take the hook here, I go back here and post this hook here. If you want to play with styles, for the text, this is up to you. And I will just download this. So my next step, I will simply copy this caption and we're ready to upload this video to our Instagram account. As you can see right now, I have 2 short videos already, 1 and 2, and they are in the same style, right? Check this out. You have actually your captions here. Make sure captions are 3 times longer for engagement. This is why I love AI. I can just copy this caption and go back to my Instagram account. We need them to stay as long as possible with this video because when they read for Instagram, it's the same, like they simply watch the video, right? The bigger watch time is the better for us. So this is much better, and this is actually what we need. I will show you how you can make money even when you sleep and you don't even need to check your Instagram account every single second. This is called ManyChat automation, and this is how it works. I have two keywords. One of them is freedom and another one is 10K. So every time anyone comments freedom or comments 10K, this ManyChat automation is triggered and this guy or girl will actually receive this message. So this is how it looks like. I commented freedom and then I received all this information. This is how you monetize your account. You add your affiliate link to this account. You tell people what it is all about, and then you simply start creating videos like this. And in description to video, you say comment freedom, and when people comment, the bot automatically sends them this message, and this message invites them to join your affiliate program. This is it, guys. This is how you start your new Faceless Instagram account, and this is how you start generating leads for your business. In description to this video, I give you 2 links that will help you to start. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me some comments, likes, and see you next time.